Skills needed in DevSecOps. DevSecOps requires a combination of technical, security, and collaboration skills. Here's a list of skills that are essential for individuals working in DevSecOps roles. Security knowledge. 1. Understand common security vulnerabilities and best practices for mitigating them. 2. Familiarity with security standards and compliance regulations, e.g., OWASP Top 10, CIS benchmarks, GDPR, HIPAA. Development skills. 1. Proficiency in programming languages used in your organization's stack. 2. Ability to review and understand code to identify security vulnerabilities. DevOps practices. 1. Strong knowledge of DevOps principles and practices, including continuous integration, continuous deployment, and infrastructure as code. Automation skills. 1. Experience with scripting and automation tools, e.g., Bash, Python, Ansible, to streamline processes and security tasks. Cloud and infrastructure knowledge. 1. Understanding of cloud platforms, e.g., AWS, Azure, GCP, and how to secure cloud-based applications and resources. 2. Knowledge of containerization and orchestration tools, e.g., Docker, Kubernetes. Security tooling. 1. Familiarity with security tools for scanning code, e.g., static analysis tools, vulnerability assessment, e.g., Nessus, Qualys, and intrusion detection. Security compliance. 1. Ability to interpret and apply security compliance standards relevant to your industry. 2. Experience in conducting compliance audits and assessments. Threat modeling. 1. Skill in analyzing applications and infrastructure to identify potential security threats and vulnerabilities. Security testing. 1. Knowledge of penetration testing and vulnerability scanning techniques. 2. Ability to use tools for security testing, such as Burp Suite, OWASP Zap, and Nmap. Security incident response. 1. Understanding of incident response processes and the ability to coordinate and respond to security incidents effectively. Communication and collaboration. 1. Strong communication skills to work effectively with development, operations, and security teams. 2. Ability to communicate security concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Problem solving. 1. Analytical mindset to identify and solve complex security challenges. 2. Ability to assess risks and make informed decisions based on available information. Continuous learning. 1. Willingness to stay updated on the latest security trends, vulnerabilities, and technologies. Soft skills. 1. Teamwork and collaboration skills to bridge the gap between development, operations, and security teams. 2. Adaptability to evolving technology landscapes and changing security threats. Remember that DevSecOps is a collaborative effort, and individuals in these roles often need to work closely with development and operations teams to integrate security seamlessly into the development lifecycle. Having a well-rounded skill set and a proactive attitude toward security will greatly contribute to the success of a DevSecOps approach. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.